Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about the Balbo Beard Co. Retro Sweets Beard Oil in the fruit salad scent, available from balbobeardco.co.uk. Now it's a 30ml bottle with a glass dropper to dispense. It will cost you $9.99 from the website, and as I said, this one is fruit salad. This is on a base of grapeseed, jojoba and argan carrier oils, and I can promise you that these Balbo beard oils throughout the range are of an incredible quality. This base leaves my beard feeling really soft, really nice, a firm favourite of mine. And the Retro Sweets range is a really nice addition. Up until now, Rianne, the owner and creator of Balbo, has been working with just natural scents, and this is her dipping her toes into the fragrance oils and just seeing what she can do. And she's done very well. The fruit salad is, again, spot on. It is really good. It's not one that makes me go, whoa. It is really good. It is really nice. For me, this is a 95 out of 100. It is a really, really nice oil. And as I say, my beard feels, and I think looks pretty damn good whilst using it. Go and check them out, balbobeardco.co.uk. Rihanna's also now added a range of hats to the Balbo website. This is the beanie at $12.99, and you can get a bobble that looks a little bit thicker with the old bobble on top, which will cost you $14.99, sticking to my old Velcro head there. Go and check them out. This brand is in my, he's lost his words, my Golden Beard Awards, brand awards, and that's where I've awarded a brand as a whole the Golden Beard Award. There's only 7 of them at the moment, and Balbo definitely earns its place on there. A cracking beard care brand. Go and check them out, and that is that. Don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.